Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I'm preparing cold chicken sandwich which is very healthy and yummy. You can have it any time of the day. It's really very easy to make as well as very less ingredients are required in its making. For this I have taken 1 cup of washed and cleaned and chopped lettuce as well as 1 cup of baby spinach. You can use any spinach that you like. I'm also using 1 cup of tomatoes thinly and finely chopped, and I'm using 99% fat-free traditional mayonnaise which is over there. You can avoid it also if you like, but I like its taste a lot. And this is shredded chicken breast which I have shredded by myself without hand mixer, and its video is available on my channel. It's just of 40 seconds. Do check that out and give your love to that video. It will help you in long run when you are short of electric appliances and you need to shred chicken by yourself. You just need 2 forks, that's it. Now taking a big bowl in which I'm putting all the ingredients together, and I'm not showing salt and pepper in this ingredient list because I added while grilling the chicken breast. So you can add it whenever you like it, or you can avoid it if you like the taste of mayonnaise only. Now mixing everything really well. This is very important step which you should not miss, and do it properly. You need to mix everything very thoroughly. Now I'm cutting the corners of the bread. This step is also optional. If you like it with corners, keep it. I am not keeping them because I like it without corners. Once everything is done, here are my final bread slices, and I'm using multigrain bread. Whole wheat bread is there. Now I'm filling the slice with generous amount of filling. I like filling to be on the heavier side in my sandwich. You can fill the filling according to your liking, and this sandwich is quite crunchy because of the spinach and lettuce over there, and tomato gives a very tangy taste. Now covering it with another slice and pressing a bit so that everything is gets nicely set on its place. Now cutting a triangle. You can cut any desired shape. So here you go, your tasty, yummy and healthy sandwich is ready in just 2 to 3 minutes. And I really hope that you like this video. If you do not forget to hit the like button, leave a comment for me, as well as subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit that bell icon also, then only you will be notified about my new uploads. Take care, bye.